Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and it's day 6 of the 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. Today's sketch is brought to you by Ruth Lewendon. Hopefully I pronounced that right, Ruth. Lovely sketch. I really like this one, so we'll see if I can do it justice. Before I go through the bits and bobs that I have already selected, this is the photo I'm scrapping. This is my father as a baby, so this has to have been taken in 1933 or early 34. So this is actually a photo of a photo. So the old original I gave to my brother, but before I did that I took photos of them all. So so I had a copy of them. So that's a really old photo. Alright, and these are the papers I'm using from Graphic 45 Little Darlings collection from 2012. Now if you're watching my videos and you notice that I'm not using any new product that's out on the market or has been out in the market last 5 years or so, it's because I have a massive stash from when I used to work at a scrapbook shop. I used to work close by to a scrapbook shop for about 10 years. I worked up the street or around the corner basically from a couple of scrapbook shops, and then I worked in one for a little period of time. I taught in one, so I have quite the stash from back then, and this is probably 24 years ago this stash goes back till. So I'm on a mission to use all my stash that I have before I buy too much new stuff, and I haven't bought anything for quite some time, a couple of years now. So I'm going to work through my stash first. So that's why all these collections, you're probably going, oh, I've never seen that before, if you're a relatively new scrapper. Or if you've been around the traps for a while, you'll go, oh, I remember that one. I used that one years ago. Yeah, that's because I'm going through my stash. Alright, so these are the papers I'm using. Now you'll notice in the sketch the circles here. Alright, these are perfect for that. So I'm going to die cut these out. I do have a perfect circle die I've already selected for that. So they are my round elements, and I have 2 pages of them, which is perfect. Came in handy though. I used to buy multiples of everything. And then this paper will be, I think, the one that I'm going to put down the side here, and then this is going to be my base. So this part will be the spots, and then I have some pieces here that I can cut out for a title, embellishments, things like that, and then some strips as well I can use for embellishing. And then I do have this one, which I may not use because I don't know if I'm going to fit them in with what I plan on doing, but we'll see. But I have them to cut apart as well. And then I do have lots of the rest of the collection, but I may not use some of these. I probably won't use most of these, but I have them in case I feel like using them. Alright, now, let me get all this back here. Embellishments and things I'm using. So obviously I have my circle dies here, which I've pre-selected what size fits, so I've kept that one out, otherwise it'll take too long to find it again. And I don't plan on putting a lot of extra embellishments on it. I do have pearls, I have white ones, and I thought the silver pale blue ones might work as well. I do have a couple of doilies, and then I just went through my tub that sits on my desk of bits and pieces that I chuck in there when I'm finished doing a layout or something and I can't be bothered going and putting them away. And I just went through there and found some things that I thought would work. So I have some simple die cut daisies, some punch little flower shapes, some vellum leaves in white and green, and then I had a bag of sequins. So I don't know whether I'm going to use the sequins or the pearls. We'll see. But that's what I have to play with today, and let's get this page started. Okay, there we have day 6 layout complete. I really liked how it turned out. It's really pretty. I just realized I haven't picked up any of the pink that's in the paper, but I guess I really don't need to. It's the green that's in there. I did want to pick up a bit of blue as well, so I just added the check paper behind the photo, sponged around the edge of the white daisies, added these blue ones, and the pearls are blue as well. Some of the sequins are blue, and it looks like the sketch, which is a bonus. Now, do you have days where you just think, why am I scrapping today? Because nothing goes right. I'm sure you would have seen a few things, sorry, that weren't going right. I tried to curl the flowers and just made a mess, so that didn't work out. The this, I had trouble with the sequins. They just wouldn't stick. I can't find my pickup tool with the blobby thing on the end to pick the sequins up. The pearls were getting stuck under my nails. Oh my goodness. Anyway, it is done. Sometimes you have to laugh at yourself and go, well, that's part of the fun of scrapping. I don't know what I was going to say then. See, this is just how it's going to be. All right. Play along. No, not play along. Watch the playlist. Oh my goodness. See, I need another coffee or something. Watch the playlist listed below for everyone playing along with the 30 days of sketches and see how everyone's interpreting these sketches. Oh dear. If you've liked this video, even with all my bumbling and stumbling, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes up. There'll be some close-ups following. And yeah, have a scrap happy day. Bye.